Welcome to the web-based training on respecting local communities. Let's understand the importance of respecting local communities in homestay. By the end of this course, you will be able to brief guests on local customs in India, understand how to reduce noise, especially during quiet hours, encourage interaction with local businesses, avoid supporting unethical tourist practices, and address the power dynamics between guests and hosts. Respecting local customs, traditions, and social norms helps in fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of the host community's culture. This sensitivity prevents misunderstandings and potential conflicts, ensuring a harmonious interaction between guests and hosts. As a responsible host in India, you not only welcome guests into your space but also become part of a vibrant local community. For more information on respecting local communities, we'll dive into the course. This course consists of 5 modules. Let's get started with the first module. Briefing guests on local customs in India. To begin with the first module, let's understand a few key customs and practices hosts should share with their guests. Briefing guests on local customs in India is essential for ensuring they have a pleasant and culturally sensitive experience. By briefing your guests on these local customs, you'll help them navigate and appreciate the rich tapestry of Indian culture while ensuring they show respect and consideration to the people they encounter. Indian culture is diverse and varies from state to state, and it is known for its traditional dress codes. However, in general, Indian culture has a traditional dress code for men and women. Both are expected to dress modestly and conservatively, with bright colors and patterns. Indian dress codes vary by region but are usually fairly conservative. Respecting religious sites. Many religious sites in India, such as temples and mosques, have dress codes requiring modest attire. Inform guests about covering their shoulders, knees, and sometimes heads, depending on the place. Navigating rural areas. In rural areas, especially conservative villages, more modest clothing is generally preferred. Suggest guests wear clothing that covers most of their bodies. And urban comfort. In large cities, dress codes are more relaxed, but revealing clothing might still attract unwanted attention. Brief guests on finding a balance between comfort and cultural sensitivity. Greetings and etiquette is an important part of building relationships. Indians value respect and show politeness in the way they interact with each other. Greetings and etiquette are also important elements of Indian culture, as they help to show respect for the elders and also show respect for the culture. The Namaste. Teach guests a traditional Indian greeting, Namaste, with palms joined at chest level and a slight bow. It's a respectful way to greet elders and others. Respecting personal space. Personal space can be closer in India compared to some Western cultures. Guests might be surprised by a friendly pat on the shoulder or a closer conversational distance. Gestures and footwear. In some parts of India, the left hand is considered less hygienic. Advise guests to use their right hand for eating and shaking hands. It's customary to remove shoes before entering temples and some homes. India's culture is rich in tradition and customs. It is important to be aware of local customs when taking photos in India. Always ask permission before taking pictures and be mindful of your surroundings. Respect the privacy of others and avoid posting photos without permission. Let's inform the guests to follow some common things while taking photos in public places. Seeking permission. It's respectful to ask permission before photographing people, especially those in traditional attire or religious sites. A smile and a simple gesture often suffice. Respecting privacy. Advise guests to avoid taking intrusive photos or capturing people unaware. Focus on capturing the beauty of landscapes and architecture. Religious sensitivity. Some religious sites might have restrictions on photography. Advise guests to be mindful of signage and respect local customs. In the second module, we will discuss about noise reduction during quiet hours. This can be done by enforcing stricter noise regulations, investing in noise reduction technologies, and promoting quieter lifestyles. As a considerate host in India, you want to create a relaxing and enjoyable atmosphere for all guests. Noise reduction initiatives should be implemented to reduce noise levels, especially during the evening hours. Here are some effective strategies to minimize noise and ensure everyone gets a good night's sleep, especially during designated quiet hours. Setting clear expectations. House rules with bite. Include clear and concise noise regulations in your house rules. Specify designated quiet hours, typically late evenings and early mornings. Pre-arrival communication. Communicate these quiet hour expectations even before guests book your Airbnb. This ensures everyone is on the same page from the outset. The next strategies are: design for sound reduction. Cozy carpets. Consider plush carpets in high-traffic areas like hallways to absorb sound. This can significantly reduce noise from footsteps or luggage rolling. Strategic furniture placement. Arrange furniture away from shared walls and common areas. A large bookcase placed against a wall can act as a sound barrier. Friendly reminders. Gentle signage. Post polite signs in common areas reminding guests to be mindful of noise levels, especially during quiet hours. A friendly message can go a long way. Quick chat. If noise becomes an issue, address it with guests politely and privately. A friendly reminder can often resolve the situation without offending. To reduce noise, the homestay owner should be encouraged to adopt noiseless technologies, such as noise-reducing doors and windows. Addressing source issues. Party prohibition. Clearly state that parties and large gatherings are not allowed in your listing description and house rules. This sets clear expectations upfront. Thin walls. Thick solutions. If your rental has thin walls, consider investing in soundproofing panels for shared walls or noisy areas like the living room. Respecting your neighbors. Neighborly communication. Inform your neighbors about your Airbnb operation, especially if you anticipate regular guest turnover. This fosters understanding and reduces potential noise concerns. Noise restrictions beyond quiet hours. Even outside of designated quiet hours, encourage guests to be mindful of noise levels and avoid loud activities late at night or early in the morning. Furthermore, in the third module, let's understand how to encourage guests to interact with local businesses like markets and restaurants. As a welcoming host in India, you want your guests to experience the vibrancy of the local scene. Suggest activities that involve exploring local businesses such as walking tours, cooking classes, or shopping tours. Encourage your guests to support the local economy by shopping at local businesses or eating at local restaurants. Explain to them the importance of supporting local businesses and how they can help the community. Let's understand about a few things how to encourage the guests to explore local businesses, enriching their stay and benefiting the community. Become a neighborhood champion. Insider recommendations. Compile a curated list of local businesses you recommend, including markets, restaurants, cafes, and shops. Categorize them by budget, cuisine, or activity. Example: traditional bazaars, family-friendly restaurants, unique handicraft stores. Highlight local gems. Go beyond mainstream tourist destinations. Recommend hidden cafes, bustling local markets, and family-run restaurants that offer a true taste of India. The following are a few tips to introduce guests to local businesses. Spark curiosity. Go beyond addresses. Don't just provide addresses, write a few captivating lines describing each business. Mention the unique atmosphere of a local market, the signature dish at a restaurant, or the stunning handcrafts made at a boutique shop. Local experiences. Offer suggestions for activities that involve local businesses. This could be a cooking class at a family restaurant, a pottery workshop with a local artisan, or a guided tour through a bustling bazaar. Make it easy to explore. Welcome basket goodies. Include local treats or souvenirs from nearby shops in your welcome basket. This introduces guests to local products and encourages them to visit the source. Partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses. Offer guests exclusive discounts at restaurants or shops upon showing their Airbnb confirmation. This incentivizes them to patronize local businesses. Sharing the benefits. Sustainable tourism. Explain how supporting local businesses contributes to the community's economic well-being. Guests might be more inclined to explore knowing their choices have a positive impact. And authentic experiences. Emphasize that local businesses offer authentic experiences beyond tourist traps. Encourage guests to discover the true flavor of India by exploring local markets and restaurants. In the fourth module, let's discuss about how to avoid unethical tourist practices. Educating guests about avoiding unethical tourist practices is an important responsibility for any host. As responsible travelers, it's important to be aware of the impact your actions can have on local communities and the environment. Here are some tips for the guests to avoid unethical tourist practices during their stay. Educating your guests. Pre-arrival communication: include a blurb in your listing description or welcome message highlighting responsible tourism practices. Express your commitment to ethical experiences and encourage guests to do the same. Informative resources: provide links to websites or articles promoting responsible tourism in India. Educate your guests about potential unethical practices and how to avoid them. Animal welfare. Elephant riding concerns: discourage elephant rides. Many involve cruel training methods. Recommend elephant sanctuaries that prioritize animal welfare and ethical interaction. Wildlife selfies: advise guests against taking selfies with wild animals. These encounters are often staged and can be dangerous for both animals and tourists. Cultural respect. Orphanage tourism: educate guests about the potential exploitation in orphanage tourism. Instead, highlight local charities or volunteering opportunities that genuinely benefit children. Forbidden photography: inform guests about places where photography is restricted, such as religious sites or where it could be disrespectful to local customs. Environmental awareness. Responsible souvenirs: encourage guests to purchase souvenirs made from sustainable materials and by local artisans. Avoid those promoting endangered wildlife or exploitative practices. Responsible waste management: educate guests on proper waste disposal in your area and the importance of minimizing waste generation throughout their trip. Transparency and communication. Be upfront about activities. Clearly state in your listing description if you don't offer certain activities that might raise ethical concerns. This avoids misunderstandings and sets clear expectations. Partner with ethical businesses. Research local tour operators and businesses committed to responsible tourism. Recommend sustainable and ethically run companies to your guests. In this module, let's understand how to address power dynamics between guests and hosts. Hosts should provide clear information to guests about what to expect during their stay, including the house rules, the type of food available, and the location of the facilities. Guests should also feel comfortable communicating with the hosts if there is anything they are not satisfied with. Setting clear expectations. Detailed listing description. Create a comprehensive listing description that accurately reflects your property, amenities, and house rules. This reduces misunderstandings and sets clear expectations for guests from the outset. Open communication. Encourage open communication before, during, and after a guest's stay. Be readily available to answer questions and address concerns promptly. House rules with teeth. Outline clear house rules regarding noise levels, guest behavior, and respect for the property. Ensure the rules are fair and enforceable. Professionalism is key. Friendly yet firm. Maintain a professional and respectful demeanor while hosting. Be friendly and approachable, but also firm in upholding your house rules and expectations. Boundaries matter. Set boundaries to maintain a healthy host-guest relationship. Treat your guests with hospitality but avoid being overly familiar or intrusive. And respecting guest privacy. Provide guests with the privacy they desire while offering assistance when needed. Strike a balance between hospitality and allowing them their space. Empowering guests. Offer flexibility when possible. Consider allowing some flexibility in arrival or departure times when possible. This shows guests you value their needs and can foster a more positive experience. Local recommendations. Offer personalized recommendations for restaurants, attractions, and activities catering to guests' interests. And feedback loop. Encourage guests to provide honest feedback after their stay. Use their feedback to improve your hosting experience and address any issues raised. Addressing conflicts calmly in a homestay environment is essential for maintaining a harmonious atmosphere. Here are some strategies hosts can use to handle conflicts effectively. Early intervention. If a conflict arises, address it promptly and calmly. Seek clarification on the issue and try to solve it with mutual respect. Communication is key. Open and honest communication is crucial when resolving any conflicts. Listen to the guest's perspective and explain your concerns clearly. Know your limits. If a guest is being disrespectful or violating house rules, don't hesitate to escalate the issue to Airbnb support channels. Safety first. Your safety and well-being are paramount. If you feel unsafe or threatened in any situation, contact the authorities immediately and report the incident to Airbnb. Remember, always consider joining online communities of Airbnb hosts in India. These forums offer valuable peer-to-peer advice and support in navigating various hosting challenges, including power dynamics and guest interaction. Thank you for attending this course. Let's meet in the next course.